How to do motion tracking in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and import your video. After you've imported your video, click on Text at the top. After you've clicked on Text, simply adjust your text where you want it to be. After you've adjusted your text, type in what you want to type by deleting the default text. After you've typed in your text, resize it wherever you want, then press on Tracking at the top right. After you've pressed on Tracking, click on Motion Tracking in here. Then, you'll find a yellow box in your video. Drag it where your image is. In my case, it's a person. After that, in here, turn off Scale and Distance. Then press on Start at the bottom right in there. After you have started, it will take some time. Then after that, you're good to go. This is how to do a motion tracking in CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.